In the vast, unforgiving deserts of the American Southwest, where the horizon stretches endlessly and the sun scorches the earth, a secret was quietly taking root. Hidden from the world, something monumental was taking shape, an engineering marvel unlike anything seen before. For years, only whispers and rumors hinted at its existence. Project Chimera, an enigma, a ghost haunting the corridors of the U.S. military-industrial complex, its name spoken only in hushed tones. Deep within the Pentagon, a single question echoed: what would define American air superiority for the next half-century? The stakes were nothing less than the future of aerial warfare. The answer was being forged in the shadows, far from the eyes of the public, behind layers of security and secrecy. In the early 2010s, as the world's skies grew more contested and adversaries advanced, classified briefings revealed a new reality. Old strategies were no longer enough. The balance of power was shifting. The solution? An aircraft that was more than a machine, a flying fortress, a command center, and an intelligence hub all in one. It was an idea that bordered on science fiction, yet it was about to become real. Project Chimera was officially greenlit, and work began under a veil of total secrecy. Only a select few even knew of its existence. Over the next decade, thousands of the nation's top engineers and scientists toiled in silence, bound by lifelong oaths of secrecy. Their families knew nothing, their work hidden even from their closest friends. Their mission was clear: to create an aircraft that could persist over battlefields for days, see and command everything below, and remain untouchable by enemy forces. It would change the very nature of warfare. Today, August 7, 2025, after years of speculation and secrecy, the world finally gets its first glimpse of this technological marvel. The B-4 Sentinel is no longer just a rumor or a classified file, it's a living, breathing reality, ready to take its place in history. From the earliest classified sketches to the thunderous roar of its engines on the runway, the journey of the B-4 Sentinel is a testament to human ambition, relentless innovation, and the power of vision. A new chapter in military aviation, born in the quiet solitude of the desert, is ready to be unveiled to the world. The age of the secret giant has finally dawned. The B-4 Sentinel is colossal. Its wingspan stretches over an impressive 500 feet, making it one of the largest aircraft ever designed. This engineering marvel dominates the sky with its sheer size and presence. Its tail, towering as tall as a 6-story building, is a testament to its massive scale and engineering prowess. This is not just an aircraft, it's a flying installation, meticulously designed for endurance and missions that can last for days on end, ensuring it remains operational in the most demanding scenarios. Its revolutionary use of carbon composites and titanium alloys not only makes it incredibly strong, but also surprisingly stealthy, allowing it to evade detection with ease. The innovative blended wing body design significantly reduces its radar signature, enhancing its stealth capabilities while boosting aerodynamic efficiency. Equipped with 6 adaptive cycle engines, it can seamlessly switch between high power and fuel economy mid-flight, optimizing performance for any mission requirement. Inside, it's a sophisticated, networked flying data center, equipped with next-gen radar capable of tracking thousands of targets simultaneously, providing a comprehensive 360-degree view of the battlefield. An onboard AI supercomputer processes torrents of data in real time, analyzing and interpreting information to provide strategic insights and decision-making support. The Sentinel acts as a central brain, seamlessly connecting with satellites, drones, and entire fleets, revolutionizing aerial warfare and establishing itself as a true game-changer in the sky. The B-4 Sentinel is one of the most expensive military projects ever, $13 billion for the first prototype. Why invest so much? The Pentagon believes its revolutionary capabilities justify the cost. Every system, engines, materials, radar, AI, was built from scratch, pushing technological boundaries. The Sentinel is designed to counter advanced enemy defenses and keep U.S. forces ahead for decades. Critics question the price and risk, but supporters argue that security underpins all national prosperity. The Sentinel is a high-stakes bet on technological superiority. It's a bold investment in the future of defense. The B-4 Sentinel's mission is clear: to be the ultimate command, control, and intelligence platform. It flies high above conflict, providing a real-time, persistent picture of the battle space. Its crew uses powerful sensors and AI to track threats and direct assets, fighters, missiles, ground troops, ensuring perfect coordination. The Sentinel intercepts enemy signals, maps defenses, and jams communications, dominating the electromagnetic spectrum. As a survivable airborne command post, it remains operational even if ground centers are destroyed. Advanced self-defense systems and stealth make it a nearly untouchable target. The Sentinel is America's watchful eye, ensuring rapid, informed action. It redefines how wars are seen and fought. The first test flight of the B-4 Sentinel was a moment of truth. On a remote runway, the giant aircraft prepared for its debut, years of work culminating in this event. Mission control buzzed with tension as the engines roared to life. The Sentinel lifted off, its massive wings carving through the sky. Cheers erupted, but the real test had just begun. For hours, pilots and engineers pushed the aircraft through maneuvers, testing systems and sensors. Minor glitches were quickly resolved. The aircraft exceeded expectations. The Sentinel landed smoothly, a collective sigh of relief filling the air. The journey was a resounding success. The airborne giant had proven it could fly. Behind the Sentinel's impressive stats and cutting-edge technology lies a deeply human story. A story of vision, perseverance, and collaboration. Dr. Eris Thorne, lead engineer. We weren't just improving on what came before, we were inventing entirely new materials, pioneering advanced processes, and developing software from the ground up. Watching the Sentinel take flight is the culmination of years of relentless effort, late nights, and countless problem-solving sessions. Lieutenant Colonel Jenna Viper Rossi, test pilot. In the air, the Sentinel handles with a surprising agility that you wouldn't expect from such a powerful machine. The advanced fly-by-wire system makes piloting it feel less like operating a machine and more like guiding a living, responsive system. For pilots, it's a profound shift, one that redefines what's possible in the cockpit and elevates our connection to the aircraft. General Mark Malam, Pentagon. Our adversaries are advancing rapidly and the world is changing fast. The Sentinel ensures that we can operate anywhere, anytime, in any environment, no matter the challenge or the terrain. It's a powerful deterrent, not a provocation, a symbol of our commitment to peace through strength. A young software engineer, my code is just a small piece of a giant, intricate puzzle. Seeing all those lines of code come together in this incredible machine, knowing it helps keep people safe, is incredibly rewarding and humbling. The team's unwavering dedication, creativity, and teamwork turned what once seemed like a distant vision into a tangible reality. The Sentinel is more than just a machine. It's a living testament to human ingenuity, collaboration, and the power of shared purpose. Every contributor, from engineers and designers to technicians and support staff, played a vital and irreplaceable role in this achievement. The project's success is a shared triumph, a reflection of the collective spirit and determination of everyone involved. The future of defense was shaped by thousands of hands and minds, each bringing their own expertise and passion to the table. Today, as the Sentinel soared into the sky, the entire team saw that future take flight before their eyes. It's a moment none will forget. A moment that marks the beginning of a new era in aviation and defense. The Sentinel's legacy will always be as much about the people who built it as the technology itself, a true triumph of human spirit and innovation. The B-4 Sentinel's first flight marks a new era in American air power. It's not just an upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in military aviation. The Sentinel blurs the lines between roles, acting as a multi-role, networked mothership. Persistent, stealthy, and all-seeing, it changes the game for defense strategy. Its technologies will shape future aircraft and autonomous systems. The Sentinel's modular design ensures it will evolve for decades. As production begins, it stands as a symbol of American innovation and ambition. The sky will never look the same again.